In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up automated email drip campaigns in Pipedrive. Whether you're a business owner or part of a marketing team, automating your email campaigns can save you a lot of time and effort while ensuring your customers receive timely and relevant communication. So let's dive right in and get started with the basics. First, open up your Pipedrive application. Once you're logged in, you'll want to look towards the top of your screen. The interface is generally user-friendly, designed to help you focus on selling and engaging your clients efficiently. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with where everything is, as this will make the process much smoother as we move along. The next step is to navigate to the mail settings. You'll notice 3 dots at the top right corner of the page. These dots are a gateway to more options within Pipedrive. Clicking on them will open a drop-down menu, providing you with several options. What you're looking for next is automations. Be sure to click on Automations to proceed. Once you're in the Automations section, you'll be presented with multiple options to tailor your communications. You'll want to specifically look for the email options within the automation settings. Clicking on email will expand another range of possibilities for you. This section is where you can start creating email drip campaigns, decide on triggers, and fine-tune how your communication strategy unfolds. Now that you're in the right place, you have some decisions to make. You'll find options to choose from different templates and settings. Depending on your campaign goals, Pipedrive offers flexibility in how you want to frame your communication. Take your time here to explore the different templates and decide which one best suits your needs. With a template chosen, it's time to bring it all together by clicking on Automation. This allows you to start crafting your campaign. You'll set triggers, which tell your campaign when to send each email in your sequence. This feature is incredibly useful as it enables you to create a personalized journey for each contact. Take advantage of these automation capabilities to keep your audience engaged without having to manually send follow-up communications. Remember, setting up an automated email campaign is not just about sending a series of emails. It's about strategically planning the content and timing to ensure your customers receive valuable information that feels tailored to their needs. Such a setup is not only efficient, but it also enhances the overall experience for your recipients, keeping them engaged and interested. And there you have it. You've set up an automated email drip campaign in Pipedrive. With these steps, you're well on your way to streamlining your email communication strategies and elevating your marketing efforts. Don't forget to monitor your campaign's performance and make adjustments as needed to optimize results. Thank you for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.